Alright guys, so you guys know it's been like a year in the makings, however you want to say it, and it's finally here. The bike's here. The Daytona 765 is here. I got to sit on it. It's a special bike though. It's not just a Daytona 765, but we'll cover that in a minute. It's a very unique version, very unique number. Maybe leave a comment down below if you can guess what number it is. But yeah, let's get to this. Yeah, I appreciate it. It's
I was supposed to go up to Escondido and we're like, let's just keep this one. Well, especially with there's a new James Bond movie coming out. So
oh, it's gonna be dope. Yeah.
The scramblers and stuff in it, so you know.
I'm just saying.
All right, guys. Well, all the paperwork's done.
Pretty right here.
I know. I told you I like this one too.
Not for you, for me.
Oh, okay. Anyways, all the paperwork's done. We're gonna head out, go take a look at the bike, and we'll do a first ride and first stuff today. So yeah, first stuff. I don't know, let's see how this goes. Super excited.
Cool.
Got a tank pad, backpack.
You got the backpack?
Yeah, it's on. And yeah, holy crap, dude, I cannot believe it's here. This is incredible, man. We're about to go get geared up. He's checking on one more thing. Get up, put this tank pad on, and then we're gonna go for a first ride and check it out. I'm freaking excited. And holy crap, this thing looks so beautiful in the daylight. I've seen it in the dark at the Triumph event, and it looked pretty good. But in the sun, holy crap, this is badass, dude. So yeah, let's go do this. Let's take this for a ride. Yeah.
0 miles.
0 miles.
You get used to it?
Yeah. Oh, I put it in gear, so
I'm gonna get a little bit of this. Oh yeah, get in. Yeah.
gotta let it heat up a little.
I got a helmet full of exhaust. It's actually a lot worse than I thought.
Oh, check this out.
What?
So, adjustable lever, and then that adjusts the brake pressure.
Oh shit.
So you can adjust the amount of pressure.
That's the magic of Brembo.
Oh,
Oh shit.
first freaking ride. This is such an awesome bike. I can't believe I have this bike, bro. Alright, I'm gonna make the left. I'm gonna have to get used to the levers. Not the levers,
Just a feel.
yeah.
Unicorn.
Oh, I forgot. I'm gonna have to get used to the, like, going down. It's super smooth. Like, I almost couldn't tell. But that's probably because it's got the auto down.
Does that work at any speed? All right, left here.
I don't know. I have to read the manual. Let's go to the left lane. Go ahead. Oh.
How's it feel?
Those rear brakes are super touchy.
Yeah?
I can feel it kind of like, I gotta be careful with that one.
No, though.
Holy shit, man.
Dude. Bro.
This is dope.
She looks nice.
Number 7.
007.
God damn. For those guys watching the video, maybe freaking out that I'm kind of gunning it, I'm not really going to baby this thing. I'm probably going to give it a nice, decent, hard break in here.
You gotta beat it hard.
Yeah.
I wanna beat it hard.
Pretty much the same thing that Kenny did. My biggest concern on the way home after this is just making sure that I'm adjusting the RPM so it's never consistent.
Yeah, I've heard that's the biggest thing.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know, man. There's so many theories on how you should brake in a motorcycle.
It's definitely a lot. Well, it's like most things with motorcycles, right? A lot of things are very wrapped in broisms. All right, downshifting's pretty dope.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you have to like let off the gas a little bit to get it to work?
What?
Do you have to let off the gas for it to work?
No. It auto blips.
Oh yeah, it works.
Oh my god.
How's it sound?
Huh?
How's it sound? I can hear it.
I can't hear it. I think it's too quiet.
I bet you get that baffle taken out, that centerpiece. fucking emissions shit.
Yeah.
Yeah. It'll sound like a legit race bike.
The problem is finding someone to do it.
I bet you find like a custom exhaust shop, they'll do it. Somebody will do it.
Man, so far, everything's really smooth, but I think that's kind of expected on a new bike, right?
Yeah.
The one thing I do notice is, like, obviously I haven't owned a bike with a quick shifter up or down, but I've used your bike, your R1, which has up, and I really, that feels pretty smooth, similar to yours. The down is pretty awesome. Like, I was a little bit concerned that, like, maybe when I blip down that, you know, it would get really heavy engine braking.
Yeah.
But it really isn't.
Like, kind of like a lurch?
Yeah, it doesn't do that.
No?
So that's kind of cool. It's really smooth. I'm going to have to read up on, like, the RPM ranges it's, you know, should be used at or whatever.
Yeah.
But...
yeah, today is the perfect day for picking up a motorcycle.
It is. It's beautiful out, man.
And it's the perfect day to fucking beat this quarantine bullshit.
Yeah. So, for those of you guys watching, we are in the middle of a lockdown for California. So, normally I definitely would not be out riding, but the bike was in. I had to come pick it up. And, of course, like, this is the one time it'll probably be out really for a while with all the quarantine stuff happening. So we definitely got to get it out, make a proper first video. Like, you only get one shot at this, right?
Yeah, you only get one shot.
One shot at making a first ride. And so that's what we have to do here. It definitely feels just a tad bit taller than the 675.
Yeah. You want to go this way? Go down and make another right.
Down. Let's go down.
You know what's also interesting about today?
What?
It's been 1 year since I got the
Yes.
H2.
Did you see that post I made?
Yeah.
And I was like, as that came up, I'm like, oh damn, it's been a year. It's like
been a year to the day.
Yeah.
So today is the day for new motorcycles.
Man.
That's pretty. The carbon fiber in the light is just gorgeous.
It really is. Dude, I love looking down and seeing all this carbon. That screen, though. Look at that screen.
How does it look at that angle? Because it looks like more vertical than, say, like my screen, which is got like a tilt to it.
It's definitely vertical, but it looks fine.
Yeah?
Yeah. So for all of you guys watching, this isn't like a full-on review of this bike. This is just a first ride. You know, just some ideas, what I'm seeing, what I'm enjoying so far, and we'll do a more detailed, in-depth video to come. So, but I know I haven't seen a lot of videos on this bike on the internet, so I'm probably gonna like try to knock this video out and get it posted ASAP. All right, I think we make a left here.
Yeah, that takes us up to the zoo.
All right, dude, get it. These brakes are crazy good.
Yeah, I can tell. Like, as soon as you put it on the front, like the front dipped a little bit.
All right, guys, so there she is. Beautiful Daytona, 7.6 size. Now, I told you there was something special about this particular model. Triump San Diego saw this particular bike and this particular number and pulled it for me. That was the first one, apparently, to put a deposit down on it for them, and so they did this for me. Let me show you what number it is. It's pretty incredible. Number 007. That's right. 007. So we got a British bike with number 007. Not only is it a low number, but it's fucking 007. That's special. Mm-hmm. What do you think?
I think so.
When we were talking about getting the plate, what was that? What did you say? Bond 765?
Yeah.
Bond 765.
Yeah.
Yeah, I might have to do that. Anyways, what do you guys think? What's your take? She's absolutely gorgeous, man.
That carbon, like, up close, the carbon looks so nice.
It does, right?
Mm-hmm.
There's so much carbon on this thing.
Oh, yeah. They did a good job. I like how, like, even these little panels, like,
they kind of merge.
Yeah.
So one thing he said was that because it's carbon, it has less flex. So he said that everything's really tight because there's no flex like the normal fairings. So It is a little low, quiet.
I think that if you were to find somebody to make a mid pipe for you, this thing would be. It definitely would pass inspection or emissions. No.
Well, we don't have to worry about that. So.
Oh yeah, we don't, do we? Winning.
Winning. Yeah. So I'll definitely have to get rid of this, and that's probably gonna be one of the first things. I actually have carbon fiber parts from the 675 that might fit, so I might just go ahead and swap that out. I'm honestly not really. I think that.
You gotta get rid of these fucking things.
I don't. Oh.
Mhm.
Yeah. I'll have to do that.
Oh, should you just?
Almost. Yeah.
Oh.
You know, to be honest, the levers are large, but they don't look bad. I really like the fact so they're adjustable here for the length or for however long you want it.
Yep.
But then this adjustment adjusts the brake pressure of how much force you need, and that's freaking cool.
Good job, man.
It's just crazy that it's so limited. I'm just like, I think that's one of the biggest things that blows my mind is how limited it is, and the fact that I got my hands on it. Right? I thought they'd be fucking sold out so quick, but nope. Yeah, so I am gonna go back. $60, I think he said, and they'll adjust the suspension with all my gear on. So I'm definitely gonna go do that. Go back and have that done. But for now, she's just gonna sit in my garage because I can't really ride right now. Literally, the only reason I'm riding is to come pick it up. So, yeah, that's pretty much the only reason I'm riding. So from here, I'm gonna head home, take it for a nice break-in, and dude, I love how it says Triumph right here. Oh God.
Oh, and you got spools, rear spools. You can put it up on the stand and just let it sit there.
Oh, it came with it? What? Holy shit! I didn't even notice that. Came with rear spools.
I think you've got the same calipers that I do too.
He said they're brand new.
The Stylemas.
I don't know. He said they run cooler or something like that.
Yeah, they're just smaller than the other ones. Yeah, the Olin Stylemas.
Yeah. Yeah, full Olin suspension, front and rear Brembo brake. I mean, they definitely didn't skimp out on anything. The clutch is upshifting, clutch is downshifting. The TFT screen is fucking fire. I'll show you guys the screen real quick, kind of show you through the menus because I haven't seen any of that online. So you get the Triumph logo, your miles, so 8 miles. And then we got... yeah, so this is your main screen, RPM, speedometer, gear, miles per hour, your range. And we go to the left, how many miles. I think this is your track information, temperature, and then you have your different modes, which is, he said, is the street mode. This is your sport mode, track mode. You can customize your mode, so how you want your ABS, how you want your traction control, all that stuff, and then you got your rain mode. So that's pretty cool. Probably gonna put it on sport now. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do sport. Oh shit!
What?
The whole interface changes when you put it on sport.
Really?
Or is that track? Look, watch. So we go.
Oh.
Right? And then we'll go mode. I'm pretty sure that he said this was sport mode, and it changes to that. Anyways, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm fucking super stoked that we got this bike. I've been waiting for a long time for this bike. Shout out to my boy Kenny for coming out, riding with me, getting this thing. And for all you guys that have been waiting to see a Daytona 765, here you go. Number 7 in North America. There's not another bike in the United States with this number. Only in Europe or Asia, wherever it ends up. So
wherever it ends up.
Yeah, wherever it ends up. So with that said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day. You guys are staying safe. So whatever time it is that you guys are watching this, night, day, morning, whatever, you guys have a fantastic day. Peace.